All right, guys, we're off to get the new project right now. So I said we're all hooked up. Got the garbage here to throw away, but we're all hooked up, ready to go. We're gonna go to town, get the new project. You'll see it when we get it back here. Oh, what?
I don't know, he's saying, wait a minute.
Cut the wheels.
He's trying.
What?
Wheels are behind it.
Start straightening it up.
Okay. Go ahead. Right now, these are on the other side.
Looks good.
Right now.
I didn't need another bath today, but we just survived probably what's a little small tornado here. But we're loaded and taking it home. All right, guys, we got it home. We'll do the reveal here in a minute. My back is soaked. I just feel like I took a shower. Man, we just come through like the worst weather I've seen since the flood. Thought we was actually gonna get it blown away. Like trying to load it, we sat in the truck and it was just like rocking it, picking the front end and the back end up just a little bit. Pretty bad. Knocked all the power out in town, but we're here with it. So as soon as the weather chills out and it ain't lightning and it ain't worried about getting us electrocuted, we'll go out here and do a reveal and unload it and everything. Well, guys, I have battled some bad storms here today. It almost picked this truck up and flipped it over down here in town. It really was. It was rocking it and scooting it around and everything. We were sitting still and we were just hunkered down in it before we could get this car strapped up. But I know what you guys are wanting to see. You're actually wanting to see what we brought home. And there it is. This, some of y'all got this right. A couple of you. This is actually a 1983 El Camino that I got for very little money. Now, I'm sorry about the light in here. It's not very bright, but back window's out of it, but it's laying in there. They just got it took out. But the body on the car is completely rust free. Has these aftermarket weld wheels on it, Pro Stars. They're a little bit too wide, so we have to figure out something about these tires. Maybe go back to like a 255 or something. But They're a little bit too wide. They set it up kind of like the dragster look. Hood's got a little whammy in it, but we might be able to bring that out. If not, we can buy us a new hood. But this is the best part. Now, I'm not sure what this is. It's got a 327 badge on it. I've not looked and found any numbers, but as you can see, it's got aftermarket intake, heads, all this Edelbrock stuff on it, Edelbrock, whatever you want to call it, headers. So, like I said, they have a 327 badge, so that leads me to believe they've stuck a 327 in it. So let's just keep drinking it in here. Inside, you're probably not going to be able to see very good. Here, let me see if I can get a little light on this. As you can see the inside, it's pretty clean. I mean, it's dirty, but I mean, it's all there except for the door panel over there. They stuck some kind of crazy ratchet shifter in there that we'll probably take out because I just don't want it in there. It's got a few Jag stickers to add horsepower. So it's got all that. It's missing the plug wires and a few things under the hood here. I think it's, I don't know what happened. What my belief is. So what happened is, this was set in 2020, and some guy took these plug wires, and as you can see, it had a few mouse houses in it. So he took these plug wires and skinned some of them mouse, and he made him like a G-string Mad Max outfit out of the plug wires and the mice hides to wear. Then he took the air cleaner and made him like a shield. So he had like you know, all that Mad Max look going on. And that's what happened to all that. I firmly believe it. But now, she's originally white. Like I said, she's got dual exhaust on her already. Clear cake's peeling, so, you know, we have to do something about that. I don't know if we just shine juice it or put some kind of patina sauce on it or what. Like I said, it's 83, but it's got an 81 front end on it. Looks pretty good, except for this part. It's got a whammy right here. But, you know, it should be able to get that. It could be in a Chevrolet, you should be able to get every part. Missing the door over here. But it's all there, pretty complete. Brakes work good actually. It's got a pedal anyway, I mean, when we're rolling it off. She is mad at me. Yeah, I got yelled at. Inside the bed, got a little surface rust, but it's not rotted. There's no rust in the car I can find. Frame looked pretty good from everything I could see when we was loading it up in the tornado there. But it looks like a pretty good old car. So we're probably not going to do a whole lot to it. Just get her running, driving, and then send her on down the line. Somebody that wants her. But we'll get her looking a little better and driving a little better. That's it. Said it's all pretty complete car. So the tailgate works. Oh, look there, even the tailgate works. Yeah, as you can see, it's pretty clean. It's originally white, according to the title. I don't know for sure if it's the factory color, but it's showing white on the title. So, but that's it. This is the El Rigamino is what this is. So we'll call it the El Rigamino. And this is the El Rigamino project. Olay. Anyway, that's the video. Hope y'all gonna check it out. We'll make a grocery list of everything we need here. Speaking of grocery list, is anybody out there, if you know anything that is like a project planning, like Stacey David used to have these project planning books on his show. Do you know anything like an app like that? It would be great to have an app that, you know, I could just put in the parts I need to buy and stuff and check them off when I get to it and keep a list of what all the cars got, like, you know, saying it's got a different engine or whatever dropped in it so we know what it's got and everything. If anybody knows an app like that, that actually is like that project planning book, the only thing I found was like inventory stuff for like big shops that are moving like hundreds of cars a day or something like that. And they're like $100 a month. So I mean, something I don't care to pay a little bit, but I'm not paying a subscription or nothing. But if anybody knows something like that that's out there, you know, hit them comments down there. Yell at me in there and tell me what that is. Tell me the best thing for it. The only thing I've always done a spreadsheet, so I would like to find something like that. And if there ain't something, hey, some of you guys that make applications, some of you programmers out there, maybe hit me up and we can design something, maybe make us an app. I'm game. So, but if you know anything, just hit me up. But that's the video for the night. Appreciate you guys watching. Hope you tune in and enjoy this. Please like, share, and subscribe to the Big Jeffrey Rig. Go rig something up.